to all my lovely viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Explore with Micah. Live and love life. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a simple recipe for a chocolate cake. You can have it for a snack and it doesn't require any baking, no oven, just simply frying pan. And you can also make it 10 to 15 minutes, so it's easy. So vamos, let's see how I make it. Vamos comer. It's very soft. And not that sweet. I like it because the one that we use is dark chocolate powder. I hope you try this one in your home. It's very simple and very fast to make. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Explore with Micah, to see more stuff that I do at home, some travels and some lifestyle and all about living here in Portugal. So, ciao! Beijinho!